How to convert PDF to Excel. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm going to go ahead and use Word for this one. Again, this is Microsoft Word. I'm going to click File and then click Open, and then you're going to browse that one. So go ahead and look for that particular PDF file that you want to convert. For example, this one, I'm going to click Open. And then there is a warning here saying that you are going to have to convert your PDF to Word. Now just go ahead and hit OK. Now you are seeing something like this. What you are going to do is just click this one right here, this kind of like cross, and then you're going to right click and then copy. After doing so, I want you to go ahead and open your Excel, and then you can go ahead and paste it wherever you want here. For example, I'm just going to right click here, click paste, and then make sure that you are choosing keep source formatting. So I'm going to click it. After doing so, you can go ahead and make some few adjustments here. Now, for example, here, this is a number, and usually this happens. So what I'm going to do is just click this and then click number. And you are seeing the ID number now. I'm just going to go ahead and click this in order to delete the decimal points. Now, another thing is that we're just going to highlight everything, and then this one here, we are going to click this. Basically, we are just disabling the wrap or text wrap. And then after doing so, I want you to head over to Format, click this one, and then go ahead and click Auto Fit Column Width. All right, there you go. Now go ahead and do the same thing for Auto Fit Row Height. And that is how to convert PDF to Excel.